you stop Social Security? It's not that hard. You're going to Google SSA-521. Google will give you the form, fill it out, fax it to Social Security. Now, why would you want to stop your Social Security? A lot of people didn't understand what they were doing when they applied for Social Security. They were like, I'm 62, I know I'm eligible to get it, so I'm gonna get my money. And they apply and they get their Social Security, and then they figure out that they're making too much money. So that annual earned income limit is about $20,000, and they're making $70,000. They're not going to get any of their Social Security. It was a mistake, because for every $2 you go over the earned income limit, which is about $20,000, they're going to reduce your Social Security by $1. So you're not going to get any Social Security. It was a mistake. You need to undo that. Social Security gives you an undo button, and that is that form 521. But you can only undo it once, and it has to be within the first 12 months that you've been on Social Security. So a lot of people figured this out within the first 3 months. They're like, now what do I do? You have to repay all the money. Not with interest, but yes, one lump sum. They're not going to take payments, okay? This was your mess up. You can't put an administrative burden on them. So if you got 2 months worth of money, you got to pay it all back. And some of you might have been getting Medicare as well. So then you'd have to pay that part back. Some of you have spouses or minor children that were also drawing a benefit off of you. You got to pay that back. If you do have anybody else that's drawing a benefit off of your Social Security, they have to consent in writing to you withdrawing your application. So you got another layer of bureaucracy. But the key point is that if you do pay it back, then Social Security continues to grow as if you had never started it. So there's no economic penalty because you did start it and maybe you were on it for all the way up to 12 months. Maybe you were on it for 11 months. They're going to just redo and let it continue to grow. So there'd be no penalty. And whenever you do decide you want to grab your Social Security, just go ahead and refile again. If you have more questions about Social Security, we have a lot of resources on our website, MedicareFamily.com. If you go to the top of the page, you will see the tab that says Social Security. If you click on that tab, it shows you a lot of topics. And if you go to here, when to take Social Security, I have some great videos. You can scroll down, and then there is a lot of information starting off with when your full retirement age is. So go check out our website. Hopefully we can answer a lot of your questions right there. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.